My lords, page 46. Kindly notice first version.
ಬಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾ?
ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. My lords, I do understand normally when the FIR comes as 376, very rarely they file a B report. They don't want to take it on their.
Coupled with POCSO.
How?
4, 6, 11, 12.
My lords, I will point out because in my notes I've said none of those provisions apply. There's not even a single averment of any penetration. Kindly notice, I will show it. My
4
lords,
will not
ingredients
apply.
I will show
4
it.
will not apply.
My lords, I will show.
You wait, sir. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಾನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Let me.
6 ಇದೆ, 10 ಇದೆ, 11 ಇದೆ.
Let me point out from her version, what is it that she has stated.
You don't worry, ನಾನು ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈಗ. ಮತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್.
So kindly notice, my lords, 46, the 6 versions that I have pointed out. Now the medical report, my lords, which has been given, medical report when she is examined in 24, they would say 2 years back. So which means 2022. So the versions which are given of 17, 19 fade to the background. Now all they would say is 2022, and it could be a case of rupture of hymen. She has reached the age of 20 at that point of time. Now for that, my lords, is one decision which we will point out. My lords, would be quite aware insofar as rupture of hymen, it need not be necessarily attributed to an sexual act. Now, my lords, with that, please notice in page 47, mention of 6 and 7. These are the persons, my lords, according to us, who would get all this done because there was complaints given against them. As a counterblast to the complaints come this complaint, page 47, we have pointed out how we have different versions of when the victim would have seen CW 6 and 7. Again, different varied versions. They are persons who are working in the mud. And the way she narrates it, some places, they said, no, you should go and complain to the police station. When? 2017. So you wait for about 7 years to go and give a complaint. So those discrepancy, my lords, should get at page 47, my lords. My lords, I will not read it, but each of it has a different version to it. Now the grounds that we have taken, my lords.
Ground is, one is delay.
My lords, page 59 for a minute may be noticed, my lords. This CW 6 and 7.
No grounds andre.
Just this one portion, if my lords would notice. 6 and 7, 1 to 5 may be noticed, my lords. And I have extracted the statements. In the first 2 columns is CW6, varied version, 2 statements. Column 3 and column 4 is CW7, varied version that we get in so far as he is concerned. With this, my lords, where is those points? And there's 6 points you've done.
Grounds allide.
I'll just point it out. Points for consideration. It says points for consideration. Just check in the book. There is one point for consideration why the versions are varied. Separate. Yes, my lords. Page 11 may be noticed, my lords.
Grounds.
Page 11.
Points for consideration.
Adrilli, page 11. Kindly notice, my lords, we have extracted the 70 witnesses. Of the 70 witnesses, my lords, initially page 5 in the is a victim. Page 6, mother hearsay. Father hearsay. Cousin sister hearsay. Page 6 ali. Aunt hearsay. Then, my lords, 6 and 7 is what I pointed out. These 2 persons, my lords, Abhishek and Nandish. Then from 8, they show it as eyewitnesses. They're not eyewitnesses, my lords. Just in the chart sheet, it is shown as eyewitnesses. 8, 9. Then after that, my lords, really not of great significance from CW 10 to CW 70. Page 11 may be noticed, my lords. Voice recognition Panchanama. My lords, no mention of any time, date, nothing. Voice samples are not of relevance, no FSL report which has been submitted. Even, my lords, despite that, all that it shows is familiarity, my lords. That's all it shows, nothing beyond that, insofar as what they have collected. But in my respectful submission, it should have been an FSL to say that it voice matches with them. That has not been done. So this is insofar as the voice samples are concerned. Medical examination of the witness, my lords, which took place on 16/3/2024, as per the examination report, sexual violence of 2022, 2 years back, very contrary to what we get till there. The final opinion is left blank in the medical records. Page 12, points for consideration, my lords gets. These are the grounds. Illustration 5 and 7 of Bhajan Lal. My lords may notice a relevant aspect that brings the present case under the ambit of the said illustration, page 12. The complaint is given after about 7 years from the date of the starting point of the alleged crime. No justifiable reasons assigned for this unnatural conduct, and the same defies prudence. Allegations are absurd and inherently improbable. Second, the sequence of the various FIRs disclosed that the proceedings is maliciously instituted with ulterior motive at the instance of disgruntled employees, CW6 and CW7. The victim, whose age 20 years at the time of giving the complaint, was not a rustic villager, but was a major and an educated girl pursuing her engineering course. In none of the 5 statements is there any ingredient that could constitute an act of rape as defined under section 375 of the act, where, my lords, penetration, insertion, manipulation or application. Those are the 4 aspects we get, my lords, in 375 as definition for rape. We don't get that in any of the statements. The conduct of the victim would clearly define that her conduct is not in keeping with normal human conduct, wherein she says that the age of 14, when she alleges the incident, she would not inform her parents, her sister, friends or anyone about it, but then would continue going to the mutt. Periodically, then she narrates certain incidents when she was the age of 16 years. From 2019 to 2024, nothing happens except that one phone call in 2024, which leads to the registration of the FIR. Then, my lords, the victim's allegation seems to be well orchestrated and nothing beyond that. There is no clarity in relation to the date and time on which the acts took place. Because, my lords, when we talk about an allegation of rape, at least some timeline, it can't be very blank statements given 7 years back, 5 years back. It can't be of that nature, my lords.
You mean to say someone who, a victim, would note the time, date?
My lords, for an act of rape, my lords, for an act of rape, if you are not even certain about when it took place, and we are dealing with a lady who is...
Complaint is registered immediately, yes. Yesterday, day before, it's 7 years, alva.
So, my lords, are you going on vagueness, my lords, saying 7 years back it happened, I want to give a complaint now?
Yes.
I'm consistent with what you're saying. 5 statements you've given. You give different timelines for the 5 statements. Please, my lords, that is one aspect which I have put there. Even the electronic evidence does not point towards any forceful act having any color of sexual obscurity or rape attached to it. It is impossible to swallow the version of the victim that for the entire period of 7 years, she allowed the accused to subject her to physical abuse, according to her, my lords. Believing the entire charge sheet to be true does not disclose the ingredients of the offences. My lords, kindly notice page 13. I have pointed out why it does not have the ingredients of the offence.
Yes.
Page 13, IPC offences, below that POCSO. Then, my lords, on the next page, IT Act, why 67E, 66E and 67A does not come as ingredients. Religious Institution Act, section 3. I pointed that out why it doesn't come. Arms Act, I don't know which.
Both you leave.
My lords, Arms Act.
Religious Institutions and Arms Act.
My lords, Arms Act, weapon.
IT Act, has there been a transmission of image?
No.
Yes.
So none of it. So I've just extracted that portion of it, my lords.
No, all that is fine. The difficulty is with
Now, kindly notice
4,
the-
6 and 8.
My lords, kindly notice the case laws on this now. What are the kind of case laws Supreme Court lays down to say when the quashment can take place? Please have page
52.
59.
In the Bhajan
I'm
law.
sorry, 59 Allah. It's going to be 62. I'm sorry, 62. My lords, I will not read Bhajan Lal because my lords has read it a number of times. 5 and 7 is what we have culled out to say illustrations therein. After that, what we have pointed out are cases where high courts had refused to quash matters of rape, which Supreme Court has quashed.
16 years.
Kindly notice 63. Can I just
Rajneesh
read?
Singh is 16 years.
My lords, please notice what they have spelt out there in my lords. Testing the facts of the case, my lords, I'm at 63.
Yes.
On the touchstone of the above precedents, it is clear that the complainant being a highly qualified major woman. Now here we have a 20-year-old lady, my lords, doing engineering. She is qualified. She is not a rustic. And I'm sorry, my lords, both CW6 and CW7, in their statements, they say complaint was given against us. My lords, just as a backdrop to say why this has been, we use the word orchestrated, my lords, why this has been done. They themselves in the statement, they say complaint were given against us. So, my lords, being a highly qualified major woman, continued in a consensual intimate sexual relationship with the appellant over a period of 16 years. Now, kindly take our case, my lords. 2024 is a complaint given. Now, she says from 2017, I repeatedly kept going to the MUT.
Hopefully consensual acts won't.
Allah,
be a
consensual
protective
Allah. Her conduct, my
shield.
lords.
Conduct fine, we'll see.
Conduct. From 2017 in the repeatedly you say, I used to go there. Then I used to go inside to the room. I had sexual intercourse there. I have come out. I have gone off. Again, I have gone with my parents. This is the narration that we get. Now, my lords, on human conduct, if really, my lords, incidents of this nature have been repeatedly happening where you've been going, would it be possible, my lords, to wait for about 7 years to set the law in motion? So, my lords, this has certain relevance there. So they say, my lords, in this, the complainant allowing the accused to establish sexual relationship with her over a period of 16 years purely under the misconception of marriage. That is what had
That's
happened.
promise of marriage.
Now, there is no dispute from 2006. My lords, please have page 64, Suresh versus State of Assam.
34 years.
In this case, yes, my lords, lodging a complaint after 34 years. But what they would say, my lords, they come to category 5 and 7 of Bhajan Lal. My lords, paragraph 14 at page 64 may be noticed. Then, my lords, Haji Iqbal
Yes.
versus State of UP.
Yes.
There's something more to add to the aforesaid, and the same goes to the root of the matter. We take notice of the fact that the alleged act of gang rape in 2018 came to be lodged sometime in 2022, 4 years. My lords, and how she
Attendant circumstances should be seen.
how she would narrate that is, they would come home and they would lock up certain persons, take her, gang rape her in 2018, complaint given in 2022, 4 years. Now, my lords, in our case, 7 years. If we are looking at the number of years, we do not propose to say anything in regard to delay in lodging the FIR and the trial against the other accused persons. In our own examine, my lords, this whole aspect may be of relevance. And exercise of powers under 482 and 226, paragraph 14 there, my lords, at page 65.
Yes.
Then, my lords, page 66, this was only in so far as that's serial number 5, my lords. My lords, it's on
Sure.
time. I'll not. Then, my lords, page 69,
Ishwar Pratap.
Ishwar Pratap Singh versus State of UP, where the court felt they should have exercised powers under 482, quashed the proceedings,
No, that is reiterated.
and, my lords, charge.
That is reiterated even in 2025.
So these are cases, my lords, except, my lords, was please notice where 16 years, 34. But what is the principle laid down, my lords? Are such versions to be believed as to be the gospel truth? Which version should we believe? Her first version in the complaint of 2017, her next version of 2022. Which is the version to be believed for us to proceed further even for framing of charge, my lords.
My version. Yes, ನಾಳೆನಾ
It's okay.
ರೆಡಿಯಾ? ಜೆಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Mike, don't worry. No, if you want
But,
tomorrow, you take it.
I'll-
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
I'll finish it today itself. So that,
Like, if you want to counter all the submissions that he has made,
yes, I'll just
Now-
counter those submissions because gradually is misled this honorable court even from the date of birth. From the
Date of
date of
birth,
birth is misled. He says she's 18 years. Date of birth, what he's mentioned in the compilation, my lords, that is only 3 months. It is about 3 months less. If you consider the correct date of birth, she is 17 years. It is not 18.
when the complaint is registered.
No, when the incident takes place in the year
Incident, no,
2022.
nobody doubts that it is before 18 years.
My lords, my learned friend made that submission.
Senior counsel.
Yes, the senior counsel has made that submission. My apologies. He's made that submission stating that she was about 18 years. Not about 18 years. She's 17 years, 9 months. My
Just
lords, that
about 18
now-
years ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Yes. My lords, now that being the case, my lords, he says there are about 5 to 6 versions. I don't know what 5 to 6 versions he is talking about, my lords. My lords, it clearly in the 161, in her complaint and in her 164 statement, she has clearly mentioned when the occurrence has happened. In the year 2022, there is no doubt it has happened before 2022 or in 2017 or 2019, my
The complaint says.
No, the complaint also clearly states that 2017 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ. She does not say that 2017 they assaulted her. She says that she was inappropriately touched and she was forced into ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿ and touched inappropriately ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ.
That is by the pontiff.
By the pontiff. And subsequently, my lords, her being a minor, she has been taken to the temple by her parents. She does not go individually to the temple. ಅವ್ರಾಗವರು ಹೋಗಿ ನನ್ಗೆ she is not attending the temple. There is no consensual in that. See, they have made it look like it's a
Consensual
consensual thing.
ಬರಲ್ಲ. Don't get it
Yeah.
consensual. Yeah.
Sorry, my lords. It does not amount. She goes with her parents. Her parents have taken her at every instance that she has gone to the temple, it is with her mother or her father or with her brother. My lords, what they are claiming that there was that the mother was ill and that is why they went. No, in 2017 she was ill. One of the friend of the father advises them to go to that mutt, and that is where these incidents start happening.
Why illness will become wellness.
No, there is a saying that if some pujas are performed in that temple, there is cure or no belief. It is advised by some third person, and based on that, they've gone to the temple. My lords, now that being said, my lords, my petition, page number 111, my lords.
ಅದೇ bail cancellation.
Bail cancellation. 111, my lords.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಯಾವುದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, ಬೇಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ.
My lords, last 3 lines, my lords. She states when the occurrence has happened. ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ದಿನಾಂಕ 28/6/22ಕ್ಕೆ 2 ತಿಂಗಳ ಮುಂಚೆ, meaning 2022 April. No, I'm trying to show that all these statements are the same. There is no discrepancies or there is no change in any of the versions what learned senior has mentioned, my lords. Next, my lords, page number 115, my lords. My lords, this is the ಮುಂದುವರೆದ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ she mentions the date also. She says 24/2022. My lords,
So, according to the complaint,
yes,
it is 17, 19 and 22. In 22, she was 17 years and 9 months.
yes,
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
At-
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
yes.
2022, if you say she was 17 years and 9 months, travel 5 years back. Was she 12 years when the first incident happened?